All right, welcome to LearnWire. We're going to be looking at Oxalo. So this is my Oxalo review. Kind of funny. I actually had to go and push play and see how, I believe his name's Jay from AppSumo, how he pronounces this. I usually don't count on them to figure out how to pronounce things because sometimes they've gotten some things wrong. But in this case, I have no idea how I would pronounce that. So I think he did a good job. Oxalo. So Oxalo is an AI video creation tool. Some people are comparing some parts of it to like Pictory. It's the closest thing to Pictory since Pictory was launched on AppSumo that I've seen. I don't do a whole lot of these kind of software reviews, but I'm going to try to do more video and photo and image design type software reviews, and then also website, anything that has to do with building websites and so forth. So I'm going to try to expand to not just doing the AI writing tools. So hope you guys enjoy this video right here. Looks like the reviews are starting to come in at 8 reviews. It looks like it's getting 5 stars so far. I'm going to jump right into no, we'll go into the pricing tier in a second. But one thing I wanted to do is go up here to the alerts section. And inside of your account, you'll see on June 28th, so just 2 days ago, Oxalo has doubled the limits now on Oxalo. So they have changed their plan. It's nice when vendors listen to maybe feedback that it's just not enough credits and so forth like that. So then they go back to the drawing board and then they see if they can actually make an adjustment to their deal. And they did. So they are doubling the credits on all the tiers, and that happened a couple days ago. So that's really cool. I like that. When the vendor is flexible in listening to the Sumolings, what they're asking for. So again, alternative to Pictory, Synthesia, and Vidyard. Vidyard, I think, is just a video hosting platform. So I would imagine that maybe you're able to host videos as well with Oxalo. It's best for content creators, e-commerce, and marketers. I think it's first and foremost designed to produce product type videos, but we'll see if we can do long form videos as well. We'll just kind of scroll through here. You can kind of look and see what everything looks like. What you're going to get, all future basic plan features. So that's something to note, that you'd have to go over to their website. Let's go back up here real quick. If we open up their site and we go and look at the pricing structure over here in pricing, the basic plans right here is the $29 a month. And that is, you're going to be able to get anything that they update for the basic plan. But if they, as you move up in plans, they have the right to add more features to these other enterprise and business plans and not include them in basic. That's just something to be aware of. There's plenty of vendors that do that on the platform. But I think that the main structure and the main components of what you're going to get with Oxalo are going to always be included in the basic plan. So we're going to scroll back down. Let's go ahead and check out, is there anything else? Logo branding, color branding, 25 templates, up to 5 scenes per video. So this tells me right now that this is for short form content and product videos. This is not like this is definitely not a Pictory replacement, because Pictory, you can do 10 to 15, 20 minute long form videos. And it does not look like you can do that with Oxalo. So this is definitely short form, social media type content, or like YouTube shorts, things like that. It's going to be for product videos, advertising, things like that. So it's just something to be aware of. Maybe they will expand into, like I'm more into long form content. If you're trying to build a faceless YouTube channel and so forth, that this may not be the right fit for you, and Pictory is still a better fit. We'll come down here, license tier 1, you get 50 credits per month, 10 maximum videos per month. So you, in the first tier, you do get the Oxalo watermark removed. I like that. Starts at $49. License tier 2 is $149. So it's not just double, it's triple the price. For the 50 and 250, and then right over here, you're going to double the amount of videos per month, but you are only going to have to step up $100. So the biggest jump right here is between tier 1 and tier 2. You really gotta, I think, lock in that you like this software and that you're going to be using it a lot in order to move, well, basically the way that they did this is you just add another $100, right? So there's two ways of looking at this. $50, this is 3 times the cost of $50. You guys see what I'm doing? But then right over here, it's really, if you doubled pricing tier 2, then it would actually be $300, right? So, but what they did was they basically added $100. It's going to cost $100 to get more videos right here. You're going to get 40 more videos right here for $100. And then right here, you get 50 more videos for just $100 more. So the way that they did the kind of jumping from how many videos you get and the pricing kind of doesn't make a whole lot of sense, if you will. But they get to write what pricing and how many videos that they want to go per tier. It's not too bad all in on the license tier 3. There is nothing that's unlimited. So that's something that I noticed right now. And then also a little bit of a, just right off the bat, without logging in and so forth and not going and reading questions and reviews. I'm sure if I went and found out on the questions section, I'm sure that they will answer what the difference between credits and videos. I would say that videos would be your maximum amount of rendered videos, so completed videos that you can export per month. And then credits, I would say, is probably has to do with how many AI or stock images or videos that you're able to use. Something like that is what I would imagine. But we have over here, we have the co-founder and the CCO. Is that Lisa or Liz? From Oxalo. Looks like they do have a roadmap. They have a YouTube channel, help center, and facts and how-tos. We'll just open up the roadmap real quick to take a quick look. So we are over here and latest updates, upcoming releases. They're going to have Pexels integration, upload your own music. What we're working on, list view and video iteration history, social sharing and analytics, bulk video generation, save video as a template, collaborate team feature, AI driven video iterations, lip sync improvements. So this one was the biggest one that I glanced over questions and reviews. People were still giving the software a 5-star, but saying that the lip syncing needed improvement. So just be aware that that is something that one of the biggest things they're working on right now is the lip sync improvement, interaction editor improvements, and so forth. So I like how they break this out into June, May, April. Good stuff right there. That's a really nice looking roadmap. They tell you exactly what's going on with the software. Anything else worth noting? You can just see all these 5-star reviews and so forth. We will go over here and log in. I'm on a free account on this one. And I'm just going to come over here and push the create new button over here. Website link to video. Just enter a web link. AI does the rest. Product text to video. Enter description. Upload images. So this one's going to be a little bit more custom. You're going to upload the images and description and so forth. Editor mode. This is going to be where you control everything. Let's go over and grab a link from like Amazon so we can do the website link right over here. So I'm going to go ahead and just go boom, and we can go target platform. I'm going to click on Amazon. Let's go find one real quick. Let's go look at the garden center and tools. Let's look at grills right here. And here we go. Here's a nice, look like a smoker right here. We'll go grab that link right over here. We'll come back over to Oxalo. We'll throw that link in. And we're going to go, so you can go landscape, portrait, or square. In this case, let's go with a portrait, like we were going to use YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Target group right over here. So let's just go, well, I guess, can you select more? 18 to 29. So it is a smoker. So I'm going to say 30. It really would be 30-year-olds to 60-year-olds. I don't really know. If it's not letting us select, between the two. So it's close between the two. We'll go 30. No, we'll go 40 to 60, I think. and then we'll go probably male, target language, English. And then there's an advanced setting over here, template. There's a template over here. We can change actor, we can change, and voice. So I imagine if we did not do this, we just say create, that it's going to go out and just create a video for us. Let's go ahead and do that let's see, what do we want to do? Let's go and see what this looks like. Change, keep hovering over the previews. So you can hover over and you can see what this is going to look like. That actually looks really cool. Keep hovering over for preview. So these are all of what these look like. They actually look really good. Right over here, I think this one could be used for a lot. You have the AI avatar very small on the bottom over there as well, and you're going to be really focusing on the the product. And then you have some of these that are very much focused more on the avatar, right? So pretty cool stuff. But I'm going to let the AI select that part. I do want to go to actor and just show you guys the different actors in here. We can select from the actors. You even have Santa Claus in here. That's funny. Let's go and select a guy that kind of looks like they're laid back and they're just probably out smoking on the grill. We probably would go and look at my ZimWriter. Just finished 200 blog posts. Super cool. That's the most I've ever done in one run, FYI. Super cool stuff. I'm just going to push OK right there. So we've got Levi. It looks like you have to have the upgraded. So we'll go Bradley right here. And you got casual. I don't know what the difference between just picking these are, but let's just stick with what they've got right there. And so we've got our selection. I don't see where we, after we select it, there are 3 dots right here. I'm not sure what that means, but I don't see where it says apply. So, okay, you just push the X button there. We have voice over here. Let's see if we can hear any of these.
You are now listening to the voice preview. This is a demo of Adam speaking in clear style. You are now listening to the voice preview. This is a demo of Antoni speaking in modulated style.
You are now listening to the voice preview. This is a demo of Arnold speaking in nasal style.
You are now listening to the voice preview. This is a demo of Josh.
You are now listening to the voice preview. This is a demo of Sam speaking.
You are now listening to the voice preview. This is a demo of Aaron speaking in neutral style.
Okay, we're just going to go with that one right there. But I didn't choose a template. I don't know if it's going to just choose automatically for us. Let's go ahead and see what we get right here by pushing the create button. Unknown error. Okay, so we probably do have to select something over here. So let's go and select something. All right, so I'm going to push the create button, and okay, that was what the issue was. You do have to select all 3 of those like that. That one is going to be creating your video. Processing usually takes about 15 minutes, in a few cases up to an hour. When your video is ready, it will appear here. And what's next? Visit the editor. We can make fine-tune adjustments. Want videos about without a watermark, you got to upgrade your plan, and blah, blah, blah. Okay, so we're going to have to wait. I will be pausing the video, but while we're waiting, we've got a couple more. Let's go and create another one real quick. Product text to video, enter description, upload images, and I just don't see how I would want to use this one over here, the product text. I would obviously use ChatGPT to create the text for us, but I would need to go and download images and stuff. So I would definitely be using this for like Amazon or something like that. Maybe we can go and find, do they have Shopify? They have Etsy. They have YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. And so let's go and find something on Etsy real quick. And let's just click on this item right here. Here's something, and it's like a tape measure, custom tape measure, like for Father's Day or something. So we'll copy that. We'll come back over here to Oxalo and we'll select Etsy and we'll throw that one in right there. And let's go with the landscape on this one, and let's go target. This is going to be dads. Let's just go like that. And let's go. And then on this one, I'm not going to select anything. And let's just see what we do when we just click the create button. It's going to go create that one as well. So we will come back when this is finished. Okay, so our first video is ready with Oxalo. So let's go and check this out.
Looking for a versatile and convenient way to smoke your food? Look no further than the Camp Chef Smoke Vault 24 vertical smoker. With its 2 cooking grids and 1 jerky rack, you'll have plenty of space to cook all your favorite meats. The 3 adjustable damper valves allow for precise temperature control, giving you perfectly smoked results every time. And with the easy-read door thermometer ranging from 50 to 550 degrees, you can monitor the internal temperature without opening the door. Whether you're a seasoned smoker or just starting out, this smoker is perfect for achieving delicious results that will impress your friends and family.
Okay, perfect. So let's actually click the edit video button, see what the video editor looks like. Let's go over here. So this is actually the other one. Okay, so this is the one with the tape measure one, right? So we can push play and try to preview this one.
Get the perfect personalized tape measure for that special handyman in your life with our awesome customized tape measure.
Okay. Is that just scene 1? Let's go preview video here so you guys can see what the female avatar and voiceover sounds like as well. Let's go check this one out. Yeah, 35 seconds. So here we go.
Get the perfect personalized tape measure for that special handyman in your life with our awesome customized tape measure. Our 12-foot long retractable tape measure is made with a high-strength ABS rubber-wrapped case. It features easy-to-read markings and an extra thick blade for durability. With its easy-to-use thumb lock, wrist strap, and metal belt clip, this tape measure is both practical and convenient. 2-day shipping and will process your order the same day with FedEx delivery. No customized changes or address cancellations allowed.
Cool. Okay. So obviously we could switch the character if we wanted to. We could change, and you can even change different outfits and so forth. Right here, you can see that it changed up here. We can look at video statistics if we have a plan, and history and so forth. So pretty basic video editor. It looks like there's some things we can do over here. We can adjust music, change the music right there. This is where we can change the template color by just clicking over here and changing the color. You can see how the canvas is going to change to a different color. We have media. We can switch out the media if we wanted to, change the text and change the background options right here as well. So overall, pretty cool stuff. Come back out here and look at the 2 videos that it created. This one was from Etsy, and it was a landscape video. You could post on YouTube or something like that. It's about 35 seconds long. This one was, how long was this one? This one we could do YouTube Shorts or Instagram because it's portrait mode. We can click the share button here. There's the product URL. This one's about 40 seconds long. So my opinion is, I think it puts together these videos. They look professional. The voiceovers are still on the robotic side, but they are better than what like Pictory has and what most of the text-to-speech generators sound like. It's not quite on Well Said Labs or 11. What is it? There's another one out there. I always forget what the name is, but there's a couple out there that literally are like 99% sound human, and that would be a better way to go. I do think that right out of the box, these are pretty good sounding voices, but this wouldn't be something that I wouldn't bank my YouTube channel getting monetized using these voices on here. So you need to just be aware of that. If there's a way that we could use our own voiceover and sync it with the person, oh, that would be amazing. I'm not sure if that capability is there. I don't think that capability is there, but if they could work in you uploading your own human sounding voiceover or human voiceover and then sync it with an avatar, that would really be cool, because then you wouldn't have to be on camera. You could have a professional, really good voiceover and it would sync and everything. So I'm most impressed with how it is able to go and grab all the images from Etsy and Amazon and all these other different places and put together a really nice video. It also did the script for us right in the background. So that's really cool too. So overall, I think this is really, really cool if you are doing product marketing, or if you're running a a store. This could be good for affiliate sites for Amazon. You could use this to create videos to put on your review pages to make them even more interesting, and they would be a unique video that you created, so you could even rank your video to the top of Google and YouTube. So you could drive that traffic from your YouTube description back to your website for people to land on your website to click over and eventually buy. So I could see a lot of use cases for this. And then of course, if you're selling your own products from Amazon or Etsy or others as well. So overall, we can go right back over here. And this is the pricing again, $49 for 10 videos a month. Now that I'm looking at it, I just don't see a way that I would use this. Like 10 videos, that's just not enough. And so I don't really know what the difference between the credits and the videos are, but at the end of the day, all I really care about is how many videos that I can produce. And 10 would be way too low for me, right? So I would definitely have to pick up tier 2 or tier 3. And if I was going to use this for blogging and things like that, I probably would have to go all in on this one. But overall, I can see why this is getting 5 stars. It's only going to get better and better. I definitely think that this is a great piece of software. It seems like it's high quality, well thought out. Seems like a good team behind them, a roadmap and YouTube tutorials, help center, all kinds of good stuff. So overall, one other thing I forgot to do is come over here and just to see if they're getting any traffic already. They've already got 500,000 people coming to their site already. They just launched an AppSumo, so I don't even think that this traffic would be coming from AppSumo. And so they're going to get a big surge when we look at June over here. It's going to be skyrocketed up because of the traffic they're going to be getting because they're on AppSumo. But overall, this is a well-established business already at 500,000 visitors per month. So they already have, monthly paying subscribers and customers. So I do think that with that said, and when you do that a little bit of extra research, right, like I'm doing in this review, it tells me that this is a really good deal to jump on with an established business already that doesn't need AppSumo to be successful. And so I really, really like deals like that. So I definitely would recommend jumping on this if you're doing video marketing and any kind of products or so things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope it was helpful to you. If you want to go pick this up, there'll be a link below if you want to go pick up Oxalo, and also make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.